Hey everyone. Hello again.
I know. What are we doing?
I don't know. What are we doing? We are getting ready to kick off our big deal.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know, because I started emailing and texting everybody at about 5:30 this morning. I've been so excited about this, and what I love about you guys, well, there's a whole list, but this is based off of our feedback.
Absolutely.
What we wanted to see from Temp-tations.
You know, I always say very affectionately that for the last 17 years, you have been the ones, Lisa's, by the way, saying hi. See that camera shake? You have been the ones who have been steering this brand with all of your amazing requests because they're the pieces that you want to add to your collection. And I got to tell you, this set tonight, our big deal, is absolutely incredible. And buckle up, because when you get the two of us together, trouble.
It's out of control. By the way, when I saw all the new on QVC.com from Temp-tations.
Did you see little Frankie yet?
Yes. Okay, I have a whole story with that. Yeah, we have to talk.
She can't fake that.
No. And it's even louder in person. But I saw the new, and then I saw the hour show that we have coming up in a few minutes, jammed with favorites, first looks, item that you've never seen on air before. We have easy pay. We've got, I mean, the prices and all the pieces. My mom, I know, is watching.
Yay,
we called cousins, aunts, uncles.
Love
Everybody's watching because this show is awesome.
Sent up smoke signals. So it's on QVC2. I know many of you were asking me that before, so come check us out in about, 6 minutes?
That's an eternity.
I guess we should go get ready.
Oh, fine.
All right.
Good to see everybody.
Bye.